blessings. Matthew 7:13-14 says, "Enter through the narrow gate, because the wide gate and broad path is the way that leads to destruction. Nearly everyone chooses that crowded road. The narrow gate and the difficult way lead to eternal life. So few ever find it." The reason so few ever find this gate is because it is hard to follow God. Do not buy into the lie that once you give your life to Christ, everything will be easy. It's a lie. It is much easier to follow the world. To follow Him, you will lose friends, you might lose your job, and you will be persecuted. But in the end, you and the few companions you had on this narrow path are going to spend eternity with Jesus, while the rest of the people who are on the broad path, which is most of the world, will have a starkly different end. We must live purposeful lives. We must choose on purpose which path we are going to follow. Either we are going to live for God, or we are going to continue to live our lives the way we've been living it. There are only two ways. There is life and there is death. Deuteronomy 30:19 and Jeremiah 21:8. Which one are you going to choose?